In this video, we are going to see what is physical and logical topologies in networking.
As you already know, every network has a physical and a logical topology. The physical topology refers to the factual network design. This means that if you have a physical topology documentation of a network in front of you, you will be able to see where and how exactly everything connects within the network. The logical topology, on the other hand, defines the logical path on which the data will travel from one point to another. Now we know different topologies, and some of the basic ones are bus, ring, star, and mesh. Let's take a look at each of them. In a bus topology, every workstation is connected to the main cable, so each workstation is directly connected to every other workstation in the network. In early bus topologies, computers and other network devices were cabled together in a line using a coaxial cable. But today, modern bus topologies establish a bus in a hardware device and then connect the host devices using twisted pair wiring. In a ring topology, computers and other network devices are cabled together in a way that the last network device is connected to the first. This way, they form a ring or circle. Each device is connected to exactly two neighbors and has no direct connection to a third. Physical connections can be made using either coaxial wiring or fiber wiring. The most common topology is star topology. In this one, a central cabling device connects the computers with other networking devices. This category includes star and extended star topologies. Physical connections are only made using twisted pair wiring. A basic star topology is renowned for its single point of failure. Let's move on to the last topology we mentioned. In a mesh topology, every network device is cabled together with many other devices. Redundant links increase reliability and self-healing. In this topology, physical connections are commonly made using fiber or twisted pair wiring. It's possible for the logical and physical topologies of a network to be the same type. It's possible, but not that often. For example, an Ethernet hub is an example of a physical star topology with a logical bus topology. A physical extended topology is by far the most common implementation for LANs today. Ethernet uses a logical bus topology in either a physical bus or a physical star topology. Now, what could be a good analogy for describing the difference between a logical and a physical topology? Well, you could picture it as planning a trip. We will first go to Spain, and then from there to France, and then to Great Britain, and conclude our trip in Belgium. This would be the logical topology for your trip. The physical topology, on the other hand, would be the exact map of routes coupled with timetables for every bus, train, ferry, and plane that you would take on your trip.